Next, we're going to learn about elevator troubleshooting. Thank you for joining me today. In this presentation, we'll be discussing elevator troubleshooting, covering common issues, how to address them, safety precautions, and the importance of regular maintenance. Let's dive right into it. Understanding and resolving elevator issues. Elevators are complex machines that require regular monitoring and maintenance. Let's explore some of the most common elevator problems. Elevator not responding to button presses. This could indicate an issue with the control panel or the electrical system. It may also be due to the elevator being in service mode or an internal error in the system's software. Slow or jerky elevator movement. This could signal problems with the motor, traction systems, or worn-out cables. Slow movement can also be a result of a lack of lubrication in mechanical parts. Strange noises or vibrations. Unusual sounds or vibrations usually come from misaligned components, worn-out gears, or problems in the motor. These should be investigated quickly to avoid further damage. Doors not closing or opening properly. This may happen due to faulty door sensors, motor issues, or obstructions on the door track. Elevator getting stuck between floors. Stalling could be caused by electrical problems, misalignment of the cabin, or mechanical failures in the motor or brakes. Troubleshooting steps. Here are some simple troubleshooting steps that can help identify and resolve elevator issues. Check if the elevator is properly powered and the circuit breaker is not tripped. Power issues are common causes of elevator malfunctions. A tripped breaker or a power failure will stop the elevator from working. Ensure that the emergency stop button is not engaged. Sometimes, the elevator might stop because the emergency stop button was accidentally pressed. Checking this can be a quick fix. Verify if the elevator is in service mode or if there are any scheduled maintenance activities. Elevators may be temporarily disabled during maintenance, so it's important to confirm if such activities are taking place. Inspect the door sensors and ensure they are clean and functioning correctly. Faulty or dirty sensors can prevent doors from opening or closing, which in turn can stop the elevator from functioning properly. Reset the elevator system by turning it off and on again. Just like with other electronic devices, a reset can sometimes solve the issue by rebooting the system. Communication issues. Elevators are equipped with communication systems for emergencies. But if these systems fail, use the emergency phone or intercom to contact help. Always have a backup plan in place. The emergency phone or intercom can be used to call for assistance. Inform the maintenance team about the issue and provide them with detailed information for faster troubleshooting. Clear communication ensures that the maintenance team can resolve the issue quickly and efficiently. Stay calm and wait for assistance while avoiding unnecessary attempts to force the elevator doors open. Trying to open the doors yourself can be dangerous. It's safer to wait for help. Safety precautions. Safety is always a top priority when dealing with elevators. Here are some essential safety precautions to keep in mind. Never attempt to exit a stalled elevator on your own. Wait for professional help. Exiting a stalled elevator without help can lead to accidents or further mechanical issues. Avoid overloading the elevator beyond its weight capacity. Overloading increases the risk of elevator breakdowns and can be hazardous for passengers. Do not tamper with elevator components or attempt repairs without proper training. Elevators are complex machines, and unauthorized attempts to fix them can worsen the problem or cause injury. Always hold the handrail and stand clear of the doors while riding the elevator. These simple steps can prevent accidents, especially during sudden movements or stops. Elevator maintenance. Proper elevator maintenance is crucial to ensure longevity and safe operation. Regularly scheduled maintenance is essential for keeping elevators in good working condition. Regular checkups help identify and address small issues before they escalate. Maintenance tasks include inspecting and lubricating moving parts, checking electrical connections, and testing safety features. These tasks help ensure the elevator runs smoothly and reliably. Elevator maintenance should be performed by trained professionals to ensure compliance with safety regulations. Only certified professionals should handle elevator maintenance due to the technical skills required. Timely maintenance can prevent major issues and extend the lifespan of elevators. Regular maintenance not only prevents breakdowns, but also improves the elevator's overall efficiency. Emergency procedures. In case of an emergency, staying calm and following the right emergency procedures is critical. Use the emergency button or alarm to alert the authorities. Elevators are equipped with emergency buttons, which will notify emergency services when pressed. Follow any emergency evacuation procedures posted inside the elevator. Always be aware of the posted guidelines, as they are there to help you in case of an emergency. Stay calm and assist others who may be anxious or in need of help. In an emergency, some passengers may panic. It's important to keep a calm atmosphere. Wait for emergency responders to arrive and follow their instructions. Don't attempt to leave the elevator until professional help arrives. Let the responders handle the situation safely. Conclusion. To sum up, elevator troubleshooting requires a methodical approach, with safety being the primary concern. By understanding common problems, following the proper troubleshooting steps, and prioritizing regular maintenance, we can ensure safe and reliable elevator operation. Thank you for your attention.